Good afternoon to all. Today I am Arpit Mala to present here to deliver my poem on the topic of exam. My exam were near and I was full of fear. I studied till late night for my answer to be right. I worked with all my heart and mind. But when the paper came, I went just blind and clock struck hours. I didn't know if I will pass. But I heard a bell and a jolt of pain in my heart. I opened my eyes and saw my mother near my bed. That was the night which had come and gone.
Hello everyone, my name is Yuvraj from class 10th. Today I present here my poem on the raindrops. Drip drop drip, the raindrops fall. Drip drop drips, the raindrops falls. And the thank you. ध्यान दीजिए.
अरे उसका अंशु से बुलाना बेटा, नीलगिरी फिर अंशु से, अगर अरावली से बुलाया उसका नीलगिरी से बुलाया, फिर शिवालिक करो देगिरी तो सीक्वेंस चल ठीक है.
Respected sir and ma'am and all the participants. Today, all the participants, good afternoon. Today I am Vishal Kumar from Shivali Senior to represent a poem on dream big. Dream big, dream bold. Dream big, dream bold. Let your heart unfold. Dream big, dream bold. Let your heart unfold. Let your heart unfold. Chase the star. Chase the star, reach for the sky. Chase the star, reach for the sky. With every step, don't ask why. With every step, don't ask why. Dream fear, no chain. Dream fear, no chain. Dream free, no chain. Dream free, no chain, no fear. Dream free, no chain, no fear. Enhance. Dream free, no chain, no fear. Enhance the will, draw it near. Enhance the will, draw it near. Enhance the will, draw it near.
Good afternoon. My name is Divyanshu Maurya and I am presenting my poem on the topic of color. And this poem is written by an African child in 2005 and it won first prize in poem. Color. When I born, I black. When I grow, I black. When I go in sun, I black. When I go in sun, I black. When I scared, I black. When I sick, I black. When I die, still I black. And you white fellows, when you born, you pink. When you grow, you yellow. When you go in sun, you red. When you scared, you yellow. When you die, you grey. And you call me colored. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. Today Tanishka is standing here to elaborate the poem of William Butler Yeats for Annie Gregory. Never shall a young man thrown into despair never shall a young man thrown into despair by those the great honey-colored ruptured on your ear. Love you and love for yourself, not for yellow hair. But I can do my hair dye. I can set up color there, brown, black or yellow, that the man in despair may love me for myself alone and not my yellow hair. I heard a old religious man, but overnight declared that I have found a text to prove that the only God, my dear, could love you for yourself alone, not your yellow hair. Thank you for your listening.
Good afternoon everyone. I am Rishi from Senior A. I am going to tell the poem which is Amanda, which is written by Robert Klein. In this poem, she tells about a girl which freedom is curtailed by her parents. My poem is don't bite your nails, Amanda. Don't hunch your shoulders, Amanda. Stop slouching that and sit up straight, Amanda. and sit up straight, Amanda. There is a languid emerald sea where the sole inhabitant is me. Where the sole inhabitant is me. Where the sole inhabitant is me. A mermaid drifting blissfully. Did you complete your homework, Amanda? Did you?
Good afternoon to all of you. Today I, Priya Lurma from Girls Scenery, standing here to deliver my poem on the topic of a photograph written by Shirley Tulson. The cardboard shows me how it was when the two girl cousins went paddling, each one holding one of my mother's hand, and she the big girl, some 12 years or so. All three stood still to smile through their hair at the uncle with the camera, a sweet face. My mother, that was before I was born, and the sea which appears have changed this. Washed their hair terribly transiently. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Achal Patel from Senior B. I am standing here to deliver my poem on the topic childhood. When did my childhood go? Was it the day I ceased to be 11? Was it the time I realized that hell and heaven could not be found in geography and therefore could not be? Was that the day? Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Arpit Patel. I stand here to deliver my poem. The name of my poem is What a Bird Thought. I lived first in a little house and lived there very well. I thought the world was small and round and made of pale blue shell. I lived nest in a little nest, not needed any other. I thought the world was made of straw, nestled by my mother. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Akhil Patel. I deliver my poem. Poem name is A Friend. May my friendship always be the most important thing to me. With a special friend, I feel I am blessed. So let me give my very best. So let me give my very best. I feel I am blessed. Sir.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Deven Kumar. Stand here to represent my poem. My dear soldiers, the defenders of borders. My dear soldiers, when we are asleep in night, they are still in the fight. When I go in our houses when it rains, but they do not move forward alone. They keep safe us all time, but I do not save them a time. They provide care to us, but they do not take anything from us. Defenders of borders, my dear soldiers, thank you.
Good afternoon, all of you. I am Avinash Singh. Today present here to recite my poem on topic importance of trees. This poem is written by myself. Trees provide. Trees take from us only a care and give us sweet fruits and trees and give us sweet fruits and a pure air. We can if we live with trees together, so trees can handle the earth's weather. If we cannot save the trees, so we cannot live without trees. If we cannot live without trees, if on any
From Shivalik Junior presented here to my poem on the topic of the kites. Up in the air, see the kites fly like colored birds in the wind with the sky. I wish I were very small and light as air. I would climb on a kite and sail up there. Thank you for a peaceful listening.
Good afternoon everyone. Today I am Ayushman Mishra from Udaygiri Junior is here to present my poem on the topic A Friend's Pair. May my friendship always be the most important thing to me. With special friends I felt I am blessed, so let me give my very best. I want to do much more than share the hopes and plans of friends who care. I will try all that a friend can do to make their wishes come true. Let me use my heart to see, to realize what a friend can be, and make no judgments from apart, and love my friends the way they are.
Good afternoon to all present here. Today I, Aradhya Pratap from Udaygiri Junior House, standing here to deliver my poem on the topic of friendship. When I start this school, things like very hard and very difficult. That there was Ans. He was supportive and guide. He was supportive friend and guide me to introduce to other and even shared notes. And since there was Ans and me shared with our bad days and good days. I live without friendship like a bird without wing.
Aradhya Tiwari from Junior A, standing here to recite my poem on the topic of our brave soldiers. It is written by APJ Abdul Kalam. O defenders of my borders, O defenders of my borders, O defenders of my borders, the great sun of my life, of my life. When we all are asleep, when we scorching suns, sheltering rays, and
Good afternoon everyone. I, Shrishti Srivastava from Junior A Girls, am standing here to recite my poem on the topic of what a bird thought. So listen. I lived first in a little house and lived there very well. I thought the world was small and round and made of pale blue shell. Then I lived next in a little next, not in any other. I think that the world was made of straw and nestled by my mother. One day I fluttered from my nest to see what I could find. I said the world was made of leaves. I have been very blind. At length I flew beyond the tree, quite fit for grown-up lovers.
Good afternoon everyone. I am Niharika Raj from Junior B. I topic on poem My Dear Soldiers. I welcome to border. I welcome to border. You are great son of my land. You are great son of my land. When we are all asleep, you still hold on to your dead. You still hold on to your dead. When winter ends season, you are hold on to your dead. Good evening everyone. I am Arvind Nigam from Junior Girls. I standing here to deliver my short poem topic on friendship. May my friendship always be the most important thing to me. With a special friend, I feel I blessed. So let me give my very best. I want to do much more than share. I hope and plans.
Good afternoon everyone. And first I want to say it was a very good attempt because you all showed up, you all tried to recite the poem. It was very brave of you all. So first I want you all to clap for yourselves for the efforts that you all did. Okay, now if I have to tell you a little bit something from a teacher's point of view about your recitation, पहली चीज़ तो बेटा जब पोएम रेसिटेशन होता है ना तो उसमें देयर आर अ फ्यू पॉइंट्स जो काउंट होता है। सबसे पहले तो द प्रोनाउंसिएशन ऑफ वर्ड्स, जैसा कि सर ने बोला व्हेनेवर यू आर स्टैंडिंग हियर यू ऑलवेज रिसाइट अ पोएम, ठीक है। जैसे हम पोएम में पैराग्राफ नहीं बोल सकते, पोएम में स्टैंजाज होता है, राइट। तो हर किसी एक टेक्स्ट की एक टर्मिनोलॉजी होती है, तो पोएम में योर प्रोनाउंसिएशन इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, द वे यू स्पीक, द फ्लो ऑफ पोएम, द क्लैरिटी, आप वर्ड्स के बाद कितने आपके वर्ड्स क्लियर है, राइट। दूसरी चीज़ पॉज इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, वेयर यू हैव टू गिव अ पॉज, वेयर यू हैव टू टेक शॉर्ट ब्रेक्स एंड द फ्लो ऑफ द पोएम, बिकॉज पोएम इज सपोज टू बी संग, राइट। आपको गाना गाना है पोएम में, देयर इज अ रिदम इन द पोएम, राइट। हाउ डू वी डिफरेंशिएट अ पोएम एंड अ प्रोज? इन पोएम वी यूजुअली सिंग, हम उसको एक फ्लो में गाते हैं लाइक अ सॉन्ग, राइट। इट वॉज वेरी गुड परफॉर्मेंस फ्रॉम यू ऑल, बट नेक्स्ट टाइम व्हाट आई वांट यू ऑल टू improve is try to improve your pronunciation, try to focus on the terminology of the poem, of the text that you are using, and थोड़ा सा और flow में and confidently, ठीक है। ऐसे when you all will keep participating in the programs, you all will become more and more confident with each growing day, and it was a very good attempt. Thank you.
मैं चाहूँगा सर 2 शब्द आप भी बोलिए, थोड़ा सा बताइए बच्चों को।
सीखनी है इसी से, जैसे छोटी क्लासरूम से जाके बहुत कुछ सीखना है, कैसे क्या करना है, आगे चल के बहुत सारे प्लेटफॉर्म को आपको रिप्रेजेंट करना है। उन गलतियों को लेकर एक्सरसाइज किया जाए तो आगे शायद गलतियाँ कम होंगी।
पोएम का मतलब ये है कि उसमें भाव बहुत अच्छा होना चाहिए, जो एक अच्छा इम्प्रेशन दे सके और आने वाले भविष्य के लिए सूचनाएं भी हो, और उसके लय अच्छे होने चाहिए, उसके ताल अच्छे होने चाहिए, और जो उतार अवरोह और आरोह है वह उचित तरीके से कहना चाहिए। यही पोएम का सार है।
और कहना है कि आरोह इंटोनेशन पैटर्न, कहाँ पे आपको हाई पिच देना है, कहाँ पर लो पिच देना है, ये सब चीज़ें इंग्लिश में बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होती हैं। जब भी आप रिसाइट करने जाते हैं पोएम तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें ध्यान में रखनी होती है कि उस पोएम का मतलब मीनिंग क्या है या क्या बताना चाह रहा है पोएम, आपकी बॉडी लैंग्वेज कैसी है। जब आप आते हैं यहाँ पर बहुत सारी प्रिपरेशन करके आते हैं, लेकिन शायद वो 100% डिलीवर नहीं हो पाता, वो किसी से नहीं होता। आप तो स्टूडेंट, हम लोग टीचर होकर भी कई बार जाना पड़ता है तो हम लोग भूल जाते हैं। उसको ये इग्नोर करना है, जो आपका बेस्ट पार्ट है उसको आप डिलीवर करने की कोशिश कीजिए। ओवरऑल आप लोगों का परफॉर्मेंस रियली बहुत इंस्पायरिंग रहा, बहुत अच्छा रहा, और इसमें और बेहतर की हम लोग उम्मीद करते हैं। थैंक यू। अपने HOD साहब को बुलाना चाहेंगे, थोड़ा सा बोलना, अब आप जा सकते हैं।